Imagine your bank account at zero. Could you still make $1,000 this month? In the next 70 minutes, I'll show you real side hustles that work in 2025, starting with $0 to $100. We'll begin with fast cash you can do today, then build repeatable systems, and end with long-tail income that keeps paying. Stay for the phone-only method that helped Jasmine in Dallas make $180 in 48 hours. And at the end, I'll give you a simple 30-day plan you can follow step by step. Before we start, hit subscribe for daily money hacks and comment yes if you want part 2 for your city. 2 minutes from now, I'll give you a fast cash flip you can do this Saturday. Here's our simple map. Fast cash, repeatable, long tail. Fast cash puts money in your pocket this week. Repeatable gives you steady wins every week. Long tail is content or products that keep earning while you sleep. Grab a notebook, pick one fast cash idea and one repeatable idea as we go. That's your quick start. Next up, a Facebook marketplace flip that many people ignore. But it still works. Luis in Columbus, Ohio grabbed a free dresser from a curb alert, cleaned it, swapped the knobs for $12, and sold it for $60. You can do this in 3 steps. 1. Search free, plus your city on Facebook Marketplace, and set alerts. 2. Pick small furniture, tools, or sports gear. 3. Take photos in daylight and write a clear title. Item, size, condition. Price it just under similar sold items so it moves fast. Plan a Saturday flip session. 3 hours, 2 items, quick cash. Would you do a 3-hour Saturday flip if it paid $80 to $150? Tell me below. Coming up, a $39 porch pickup service that anyone can copy. Priya in Edison, New Jersey posted a $39 porch pickup trash bag service. Homeowners fill a heavy bag. She picks it up and disposes of it properly. Other easy offers you can start this weekend. Quick car interior clean with vacuum and wipes. Weed and edge a small yard if you can borrow tools. IKEA assembly for neighbors using a simple toolkit. Keep it friendly, keep it fast, and focus on before and after results. In a minute, I'll show you the phone-only finder's fee. Jasmine used to make $180. Jasmine in Dallas, Texas loves sneakers. She posts in local groups. Selling clean sneakers? I have buyers. DM me your size and photos. She connects sellers to buyers and earns $10 to $20 per deal. One weekend, 9 pairs moved. That's $180. Keep it safe. Meet in public places and bring a friend. Comment Jasmine if you want the exact DM script she used. Next, the tiny tools that make everything easier. 3 simple tools. A phone mount for safe navigation between stops. A clip light for clear photos at night. A basic cleaning kit, gloves, wipes, a magic eraser, and use your Notes app to track what you did and how much you earned. In 30 seconds, we'll start Etsy digital products. Tiny cost, big potential. Make printable PDFs people love, budget templates, debt snowball sheets, chore charts, meal planners. Start with one strong listing. 2025 Budget Plus Debt Bundle. Create it in Google Docs or Canva, export as PDF, and upload. Use clear mockups and short benefit bullets like save time, see everything on one page. Price $4.99 to $9.99. Add more listings each week so sales stack. Which printable would you buy right now? Next, a simple way to fill your first 3 local jobs fast. After sign-up, list 3 services: furniture assembly, TV mount assist, and quick errands or returns. Reply fast, keep your messages friendly, and show before and after photos. Price in the middle of your local range to get momentum. Comment task if you want a profile bio template that works. Up next, Rover and house sitting for calm weekend cash. Ben in Phoenix does overnight sits and daily check-ins. He brings poop bags, a spare leash, and sends an update photo every day. After each job, he asks for a 1-line review. Within a month, he had repeat clients and predictable weekends. If this is helping, hit subscribe and comment YES for part 2 with your state. Next, a no inventory method on YouTube using short videos. Make 30 to 45-second videos reviewing small helpful items, like a $20 kitchen gadget, a desk organizer, or a car cleaner. Follow this format. Problem, quick test, result, one tip, link. Post 3 to 5 short videos per week. Be honest, be clear, and keep it under a minute. Would you try 3 product videos this week? Coming up, TikTok Shop, phone demos, big audience. Join as an affiliate and pick evergreen items people use daily. Storage, kitchen tools, simple fitness gear. Film honest demos with your phone. Show what it is, how it helps, and one tip. Keep it short, 15 to 45 seconds, and post consistently. Next, Amazon Influencer. Shoppable videos live on product pages. Apply, then record 30 to 60-second clips answering these 4 questions. What is it? How does it work? Who is it for? What's one thing to know? Upload, repeat, and let the videos work for you while you sleep. Want something local and simple? A $49 service bundle is next. People delay tiny tasks. You do them fast. 3 smart bundles. Apartment move-in kit. Change batteries. Hang 2 frames. Set a shelf. List it for you. Take photos and write a Facebook or OfferUp listing. Content rescue for salons. Film 10 phone clips in 30 minutes. Pick one and offer it this week. Which $49 bundle would you try first? Next, send free traffic to Etsy using YouTube Shorts. Make 3 shorts per week that solve a tiny problem and point to your Etsy. Example 1. 50-30-20 budget. Use this one-page template. Example 2. Debt snowball. Watch me fill the cells. Use big on-screen text, a clear before and after, and pin your link in the top comment. In a moment, one important affiliate tip to protect your effort. When you share a link, ask viewers to click your link and finish the checkout from that page. If they jump around too much or use random coupon pop-ups, the link may not count. Keep it simple. Click, watch, buy. That's it. Save this video so you remember this step. Maria in Atlanta does Sunday morning grocery runs. Less traffic, steady orders. Choose times when you feel safe and focused. Keep your roots close to home and add a short thank you note on the bag. Small touches bring people back. Now, A. I assist microservices you can sell tonight. Offer tiny, useful tasks online. Resume cleanups, LinkedIn headline makeovers, Instagram or TikTok captions, and YouTube descriptions. Draft with AI, then polish in your voice. Make 3 packages. $29 basic, $59 standard, $99 premium. Deliver fast and ask for a one-line review each time. Ready for the 30-day plan? It's simple and it works. Week 1, fast cash. Do 2 flips and offer one $49 bundle. Create 1 Etsy listing. Week 2, repeatables. Post 5 short product videos on YouTube or TikTok and 2 shorts that point to your Etsy. Week 3, clients. Add TaskRabbit or Rover. Aim for 2 repeat clients. Week 4, double down. Pick your best lane and schedule it. Tuesday and Thursday for content, Saturday for flips, Sunday for a delivery window. This plan is simple and repeatable. Follow it for 1 month, and you'll feel the momentum. Which week are you starting today? Consistency beats everything. Aim for 1 tiny win per day. 1 listing, 1 video, 1 message. When something works, copy yourself and make 5 more just like it. If today flops, don't panic. Reset tomorrow. You're 1 small win away from a new habit. Let's close with quick answers to common fears. What if I'm shy on camera? Use hands-only shots or record your screen and add voiceover later. What if I have no tools? Start with finder's fees, listing services, or content. What if nobody buys? Improve your headline, your first photo, and the first 3 seconds of your video. What if I work nights? Batch your weekend, flips on Saturday morning, content on Sunday afternoon. Final step, let me point you to your next win. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs a quick win. Comment YES for part 2 and tell me your city so I can include local examples. Next video is how to double your savings in 30 days. I'll show easy cuts and a simple automation you can set up in 10 minutes. Click the playlist and I'll meet you there. I'm cheering for you, one small win at a time.